My name's Elena. I am 28 years old. People always say that I'm beautiful and charming. They say I catch attention when I walk into a room. I live in a bright apartment in the center of the city. From the outside, my life looks perfect. But sometimes, when I look out of the window, I feel empty. It feels like something important is missing. I have a boyfriend. His name is Adrian. He is a lawyer. He wears expensive suits and drives a shiny black car. Many people admire him. Women like him, and men want to be like him. We have been together for 1 year. We eat dinner at expensive restaurants. We travel to beautiful places. He gives me expensive gifts, shoes, perfume, and jewelry. When I walk beside him, people look at us. I feel proud, but only on the outside. Inside, I often feel invisible. Adrian does not listen when I speak. He looks at his phone. He tells me what to wear and where to go. He talks a lot, but he does not ask me how I feel. I used to laugh at his jokes, but now I just smile because I think I should. I keep telling myself, he is perfect. Everyone says I'm lucky. So I should feel lucky. But deep inside, I know that I do not feel happy. There is another man in my life. His name is Leo. Leo runs a small restaurant near my apartment. He wakes up early. He makes fresh bread and prepares vegetables. He works hard every day. Leo is not rich. He is not famous. But when I'm with him, I feel important. I feel like he really sees me. He always remembers that I like cinnamon in my tea. He listens carefully when I talk. He pays attention to my words. When I sit with him, I feel calm. I feel warm inside. Leo has never told me that he loves me, but I feel his care. I see it in the way he brings my tea. I hear it in the way he says my name. I've known Leo for 3 years. At first, we were just neighbors. Then we started talking more and became good friends. But now, something feels different. I can feel it when we talk. Even when we sit in silence, it feels warm and comfortable. Sometimes he says, "Adrian is lucky to have you." But Leo never says anything more. Maybe he thinks I'm happy with Adrian. Maybe he thinks he is not enough for me. But I know Leo's heart. He is kind, he is honest, he respects me. Now I am standing between two different lives. One life is full of gold and attention. The other is quiet but full of love. One evening, Adrian takes me to a big party. It is in a luxury hotel with many rich and important people. He holds my hand tightly. It feels like he is showing me to others, not like he is holding me with love. I try to speak, but he speaks louder. I smile, but it feels fake. Later, I walk out to the balcony. I look at the city lights. My heart feels heavy. Then my phone vibrates. It is a message. "I hope you're doing okay. I made cinnamon tea today. Your favorite." It is from Leo. When I read it, my eyes fill with tears. Suddenly, a strong feeling fills my heart. I finally understand what truly matters. That night, I sit on my bed. I look at the gifts around me, dresses, necklaces, shiny shoes. There are so many. They are beautiful, but they do not make me feel loved. They don't listen to what I say. I walk into the kitchen and make a cup of cinnamon tea. The sweet smell fills the room. It gives me a feeling of peace. It makes me think of Leo. As I hold the warm cup in my hands, I whisper, "This is what real love feels like." It is not loud or flashy. It is quiet. It is kind. It is true. The next morning, I go to Leo's restaurant. My hands are shaking. My heart beats fast. When he sees me, he smiles. "Elena," he says softly. "I have made a decision," I say. I take a deep breath. I don't want diamonds. I don't need a rich life. I want real love. I want someone who is kind. And I want you. He doesn't say a word. He gently holds my hand. In that moment, I know I made the right choice. This time, I chose what is best for me. 6 months have passed. Sometimes I walk by expensive shops. Sometimes I see Adrian's face in magazines. But I don't stop. I don't look back. Because now my life is better. I have quiet mornings and warm evenings. I have someone who respects me, someone who truly sees me. I gave up the gold, but I found the light. And now, after everything, I finally feel truly happy.